Well, hello, Waterloo Middle School students. This is Mr. Deuth again, and today I'm going to show you another activity that you can do using the VEXcode VR website. Okay, so this is the second activity that we have. And remember, if you did the first activity, you're going to go to this website, vr.vex.com. Or if you're using Google Classroom, you can go ahead and just click on the link to VEXcode VR and it'll bring you right to this website. It should look exactly like this, okay? And the activity that I want you to do today is called Number Maze, okay? So here's the playground that we're going to be working with. I'll show you how to pull that up in a second, and here are the different challenges. Okay, so let's read the first one here. It says, program your robot to move through the maze from start, which is down here, to finish, which is up here. So we're going to take our robot all the way through this maze. Oops, I got to go all the way around to get there. And I'm probably not going to be able to show you how to do all of that. But let's look at level 2 here. Program the VR robot to move through the maze, stopping on each of the numbers in order, starting with 1. So actually 1 is a lot closer to the starting line. So let me show you how to do that, okay? So you're back in VEXcode VR. Let's open up our playground. That's up here along the top on the right side. And you want to select this wall maze playground. Remember, up here you have a drop-down list of different playgrounds. There's some really cool ones in there. We're going to be using the wall maze, okay? And if you look, here's our robot right here on the starting line, and we're going to try and get him all the way over to number 1, okay? So we've got this orange block here that says when started, and that means when we press this play button right here, okay? So when started, what happens? Well, our robot right now, if you kind of look and see, he's pointed like he's going to go up this way, okay? We don't want him to go that way. We want him to turn to the right, okay? So the very first thing we need to do is turn our robot, and we need to turn him right for 90 degrees, okay? So let's play that and see what happens. Perfect. He turned to the right. And if you notice up here, we have some information about our robot. Our heading is 90 degrees. Okay, that means that we've turned 90 degrees from 0. Okay, if we take this out and reset, our heading is 0. Okay, so we want to turn right 90 degrees. Then we want to move forward. And if you remember from the last activity, each square, so if we imagine like this area right here being a square, is about 200 millimeters. So let's have our robot move forward for 200 millimeters. Okay, so he's going to turn right, he's going to move forward 200 millimeters, and then we need to turn him left. So let's grab our turn command, but let's change this to left. Okay, and then we're going to need him to move forward again about another 200 millimeters. And then we're going to need him to turn right again. So we'll add that block in here. Then we need him to drive forward about, well, let's see, 1, 2, so 400 meters. 200 millimeters times 2 blocks. It's 400 millimeters. Okay, and then we need him to turn back to the right. So we're going to turn right. We're going to drive forward for 200 millimeters. And then we're going to turn, no, we're going to turn right again. He's going to be upside down. I'm going to turn right and drive forward for another 200 millimeters. This is a pretty long program. Also, make sure your blocks get connected to each other there. Let's run this and let's see what happens. I don't know if it'll work, but we'll try it out. Okay, so we got to reset it first, and then we're going to hit the play button and see what our robot does. Let's watch him. He's getting kind of close to the wall there, but he's doing okay. Uh-oh. Oh, no, he ran into the wall. So going forward 200 millimeters right here wasn't, or maybe it was this block up here, wasn't enough. So let's add just a little bit to him. Let's add 50 millimeters, okay? So we'll reset, we'll run. Here he goes. He's close to the wall, but he's not too close to the wall. Can you make that corner? Oh, still not quite. We're so close. All right, so let's change that to 475. Let's see if that gets him there. And I think there might have been a mistake later on in my program too. But that's the awesome part about this is we can see our mistakes happen right away and we can go in and fix them. Hey, there we go. I got my robot to land on square number 1, okay? So we accomplished the first part of level 2 here, okay? So now I would continue adding code. And guys, you can add code for days on this worksheet over here. So add more code, reverse course, and then you'll try and get your robot to 2 and 3. And looks like we got to go all the way over to 4. You could also program your robot to go to the letters A, B, C, D, and then go to the finish line. You could go 1, A, 2, B, 3, C. There's so many options for you. Experiment with this. Have fun with this. Ooh, let's try this really quick. Let's watch our robot go from this camera view. That might be fun. We'll watch him go while I'm talking, okay? So experiment with this. Have some fun with it. Look at the challenges that we're posting and see if you can accomplish some of these tasks. Again, it kind of stinks that we can't build these robots in the classroom, but this is a great alternative. It will really help you when we get back in the classroom, hopefully very, very soon, with your coding abilities. So I hope this was helpful. Stay safe out there. Make sure you're staying at home, and good luck with this.